Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Nestled in the tranquil community of Smokeyvale, St. Andrew, is this 3-bedroom, 1.5-bathroom home for sale. This house was built in 2021. The floor space is 2,000 square feet and it sits on a generous half-acre lot. The expansive yard offers a perfect setting for entertaining or enjoying quality family time, with potential to expand the house upwards. This property provides an excellent opportunity for future growth while maintaining its peaceful charm. Schedule your viewing today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 59 million or US $383.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.